Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. Today I'm going to talk to you about writing a Cinquain poem. We're going to review this from last week. You had written one, and today we're going to pick a different topic. But I wanted to go over the elements of what makes up a Cinquain poem. So it is a 5-line poem that describes a person, a place, or thing. So at the top you have a 1-word title, which is a noun. So you can see here that dessert is what the title of this poem is going to be. 2 adjectives, which are describing words, describing this noun, cold and creamy. 3 verbs ending in ing, so eating, giggling, licking. And then a phrase that describes dessert, cone with 3 scoops. And then a synonym for your title, which is another noun, which would be ice cream. So that one was one. Now let's look at another one. So here's another one that's using those 5-line poems. Okay, party is the title, which is a noun. The 2 adjectives that go with party are happy and cheerful. 3 verbs that end in ing, which you would be maybe singing at a party or eating or playing. Those are all things that you could be doing. And then a phrase, if it is your 9th birthday, you would write my 9th birthday party. And then a synonym, which is going to go with the word at the very top that you picked, your title. So instead of party, you would write down celebration, which is another noun, and it's a synonym. Okay, so then you would go ahead and then you would write out your poem. So today what I would like you to do is I would like you to go back into your writer's notebooks. You're going to pick a new topic today and you're going to do the same thing. Remember, you're going to think about, okay, something that describes a person, a thing, or a place, right? And you're going to pick that and then you're going to think of 2 adjectives, 3 verbs ending in ing, a phrase that goes with that noun, and then a synonym for your title. Okay? All right, have fun, writers.